This is K. Pawan Kumar. I am pursuing first year in the stream of Triple department. Today I am explaining topic is capacitor filter. Introduction to capacitor filter. A capacitor filter is an electronic circuit component that is used to remove unwanted noise and ripple from the power supply, any power supply. It consists of a capacitor connected in parallel with a load, allowing it to store and release electrical energy to smooth out the voltage. And capacitor filters are commonly used in the power supplies, audio amplifiers, and electronic devices to provide a stable and clean DC output or clean DC voltage. And we can explain about the working principle of capacitor filter. The input AC voltage is first rectified using a diode bridge, converting into pulsating DC voltage. The capacitor in the filter circuit is then charged during the peaks of the pulsating DC voltage. During the periods, if low voltage, the capacitor discharges and supplies current to the load, smoothing out the voltage ripple. Advantages of capacitor filter is capacitor filters are inexpensive and readily available in various capacitance values. They are compact in size, making them suitable for space-constrained applications. Capacitor filters provide quick response time in filtering out output noise and ripple, ensuring a suitable output voltage. And the limitations of capacitor filters are capacitor filters have limited expenses in filtering low frequency ripple and noise. They may be not suitable for applications require high voltages and current capacitance. Capacitor filters can introduce a slight voltage drop, little voltage drops, and reduce the overall efficiency of the circuit. Types of capacitor filters are there are two types of capacitor filters, and there are many types of capacitor filters, but we can discuss about the two main types of capacitor filters. And then the first one is capacitor input filter and the choke input filter. In a capacitor input filter, the capacitor is connected before the load, providing a high voltage and low current ripple. In choke input filter, an inductor, it means choke, is added before the capacitor. It provides a lower voltage and higher current, high current ripple. High current is ripple. And in capacitor input filter, voltage is high and current is low. But in choke input filter, voltage is low and the current is higher ripple. Capacitor filter application, power supplies. Capacitor filters are extensively used in power supplies to smooth out the rectified AC voltage. They ensure a stable and clean DC voltage output, which is crucial for proper functioning of electronic devices. The capacitance values of the filter capacitor determines the value of ripple reduction in the power supply. And we can discussing about the capacitor filter application in audio amplifiers. In audio amplifiers, capacitor filters are used to remove any residual AC voltage from the power supply, ensuring pure audio signal amplification. They help eliminate any hum or noise introducing by power supply and resulting in high quality audio input. Proper selection of capacitor values is crucial to achieve optimal filtering and audio performances. Advantages of capacitor filters are capacitor filters are simple and inexpensive to build and maintain, so they are very easy to use. Disadvantage of capacitor filter is capacitor filters are not effective in removing low frequency noise from a DC signal. So when the DC signal frequency is low, it cannot be used for the that is come from DC signal. And then finally the conclusion is capacitor filters are essential components in electronic circuits to provide a stable and noise-free power supply. Understanding the basic operation, advantages, limitations, and consideration for capacitor section is crucial for effective implementation. By utilizing capacitor filters, electronic devices can achieve improved performance and reliability. And then thank you for giving this opportunity.